All right, guys, so now we are in problem number 5, exercise number 5. And the question says, what are the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola represented by the equation? And this is the equation, y equals to negative 5x squared plus 30x minus 25. So here, the thing is like, what are we going to do? We are going to talk about the coefficients. The first coefficient here, which is with x squared, that coefficient, the name of that one is the lead coefficient. And then the second one, which is just with the variable x, it's going to be b. So the first one is a, then b, and then the last one, it's going to be c. So now we know a is equals to negative 5, b is equals to 30, and c is equals to negative 25. So they want to know what is the coordinates of the vertex. So the vertex, the letter b, it's going to be equals to one coordinate, which is bx comma by. So our goal is going to be try to find this coordinate. So let me show you how you can find bx. So basically bx, it's going to be equals to negative b over 2a. So we need to find bx. I'm going to replace everything now because now I know for this specific problem, b it's equals to 30. So the formula says negative b, and b is equals to 30. So I'm going to replace b as 30, right? And then over 2a, over 2 times a now it's equals to negative 5. I'm using parentheses here because we have a product and this is a negative number, so we need to add parentheses. So now on top we have just negative 30, but on the bottom we have 2 times negative 5, and 2 times negative 5 it's equals to negative 10. Why it's equals to negative 10? Because positive times negative is equals to negative, and then 2 times 5 is equals to 10. And now we can solve this fraction or this division. So we have negative 30 divided by negative 10. We can just cancel this 0 with that one. And then negative 3 divided by negative 1 is just positive 3 because negative times negative is positive and 3 divided by 1 is just 3. So that means that bx, the left side of this coordinate, bx is equals to 3. So now we have 3, right? Our second goal here, it's gonna be find by. How we can find by? So the only thing that you gotta do here is replace this number, which is bx, into the equation. So the equation is negative 5 and then says x squared, and x now it's gonna be 3. So you basically replace x equals to 3 into the equation, all right? So negative 5 times x squared, x, don't forget, is equals to 3 now, plus 30 and times x. Again, x is equals to 3. And then minus 25. So now we need to solve this part. So 3 squared is equals to 9. So look what I'm going to do. I'm going to write again negative 5 times. And I know 3 squared is just 3 squared is equals to 3 times 3, which is equals to 9. And then 30 times 3 is equals to 90. You can use your calculator. Don't forget that you can use your calculator in the exam, right? So now we have to solve this part. Negative 5 times 9, it's going to be equals to negative 45. And then we have 90 minus 25. Let's talk about 90 minus 25. It's going to be equals to positive 65. Do you agree? Then finally, we have negative 45 plus 65. If you use your calculator, the answer is going to be 20. So that means this is by, the other part, the second, the right side of the coordinate. So this is going to be 20. That's what they want. Here, the answer for this problem, it's going to be 3 comma 20. And you have a couple of options like A, B, C, D, E. And if you check on the paper, this answer is letter C. And that's it. I'm going to show you another example like similar to this one, just to make sure like that you get it.